In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, there's the pastime of cleansing the Gundicha Mandir, and that has an analogy of cleansing the heart. So is there an analogy of the pastime of Nrsimha killing Hiranyakashipu for the sadhaka?
Hiranyakashipu means all demoniac attitude. Yes. He kills all demoniac attitudes. Yes, that's the knowledge.
The devotees of Krishna, within Krishna are all the avatars, then what is the need for separate meditation on the form of Nrsimha?
Because specifically he kills all demoniac attitudes, Nrsimha. Therefore this is specific that we offer pranam to Nrsimha. Because so many lusty desires we have. We are really demons, we are not devotees at all. We are really demons. So let him kill all demoniac attitude in us. Yes. And also material world means is full of demons. So much enviousness is there. All enviousness. Enviousness, demons are envious. Devotees are not envious at all. And soon they will kill all these things and make your path of devotion free from all inauspiciousness, all obstacles. Yes, all these hindrances. You make it clear, then you can very easily tread the path. This is special characteristic of Nrsimha. Therefore we offer prayer. Understand?
Gurudev, in today's class, it has been told that Lord Nrsimha has killed the Adi Daitya, Hiranyakashipu. But while preaching to the Prahlad Maharaj, Lord Nrsimha has stated that in his previous birth, unconsciously though, but still since he remained on fast quarreling with the prostitute, because that is the auspicious appearance day of Lord Nrsimha, that's why he...
Strange coincidence.
It's a strange coincidence, brother. That's why he got the benefit and born as Prahlad Maharaj. So that means Gurudev, Lord Nrsimha had appeared before also.
Yes.
So
he is Kalpa Avatar. Every Kalpa he comes.
Then when Hiranyakashipu was called Adidaitya, then what are the Leela of Lord Nrsimha when he appeared before this?
Because in all Kalpa, this Leela, Lord manifests. In all Kalpa, this Leela. That joy, Vijay, two demons come and Lord appears to kill them. All Kalpa.
So
it's
they
not
are
only
Adidaitya
one.
or Kalpa?
Kalpa, yes. And another point is there also. Prahlad Maharaj is his associate. He is associate, eternal associate, isn't it? There's a Leela of Nrsimha there. How is it that it was Bal, the son of Basu Sarma, youngest son of Basu Sarma, was addicted to a prostitute. Do you understand? And he became Prahlad. He was eternal associate. This is the most important question. He comes when this Leela comes to any universe. Prahlad is there. This is some associate who takes part in Leela. Otherwise, how Leela will be manifested without his devotee? That Prahlad comes as his eternal associate. What is this? This is the most important question.
Yes.
And nobody is thinking of this.
Right.
And Nrsimha, this is mentioned in Nrsimha Purana. And Nrsimha told this thing. You are this and that and did this and therefore you got, you developed bhakti. Therefore you born as my devotee, a son of Hiranyakashipu. That is a fact. This son of Basu Sarma entered into body of eternal Prahlad. Because he fasted, he did what to say, Vrata Pavan, observance of the Vrata, Though not consciously but unconsciously, the strange coincidence,